Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. Today is your reminder that it is day number 1 to submit your Christmas Village contest entries for the 2024 contest. Now I will be receiving your entries until December 1st at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. If this is your first time seeing my face and wondering what I'm talking about, every year I host a Christmas Village contest. If you are interested in submitting an entry, you are more than welcome to do so. There are rules to each entry, as well as there are 3 different categories you can submit for. I did release a video months ago giving you all of the information you would need to possibly enter the contest. So I will link that video at the end of this one. I will also link the video that I just released last week showing you how to submit your Christmas Village contest entries. You're just submitting them by email to miriamsmanor@gmail.com, exactly how it's spelled on the bottom of the screen. I do suggest setting up a free Dropbox account so that you are able to send large files without any issues. If you guys have any questions for me whatsoever, leave me a line in the comment section and I will get back with you. I so look forward to seeing what you guys come up with this year. I already have received 2 contest submissions, so I'm really excited to check them out. That's all I have for you. So until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye.